Hi everybody, welcome to chapters 5 and 6 of HTMX Crash Course. I'm Courtney, I'm the driver of the session, and my navigator is Pomelo. So here's our chapter 5. Let me just go see which one this is again, like the title of the chapter. This is Form Inline Validation. So here we've obviously got our HTML. Obviously we have used HTMX. So basically what this is doing is getting a valid email address. So here we have our email, and then it's going to post this as a request to find the email. And we're also going to have a password, and it's going to also get a post request for the password, basics. And then if we go into our server here, so to our main point, everything else is always the same, except when it comes to app.post. So again, we handle the post request for email validation, and then it's going to extract the submitted email address from the request body, and then it's going to get a regular expression for validating the email format, and then it's going to check if the submitted email matches the regular expression. So basically to check if it's valid. And then if the email is valid, it's going to return a success message with the validation with the validated email. So here you can see it returns it. Yeah, so obviously you've got your email from control, form control, email. This is basically just something to make sure it returns correctly. If the email is invalid, it's going to return an error message with a submitted email. So if your email is invalid, if you type in the incorrect email address, it's going to tell you incorrect email address, please try again. And then yeah, that's basically it. And then obviously we've got our start server. Now, as much as I would try to show you this, I cannot. It doesn't work for some reason. All my other chapters are working, including chapter 6, except this chapter. I did the code myself. I even got another code for this. It's not working. It just gives me a 404 error page. And I don't know what's going on. So yeah. Anyhow, let us move on to chapter 6. Let me just get rid of these. So here in our chapter 6, this is about show, edit, form, and update. So another pretty basic thing. So obviously there's your title, a link from Bootstrap. So here we have so it's like your normal edit blocks basically. This is up and running, which I can show you once I'm done explaining. But all it's doing is you can either edit this or cancel, edit, and then click to edit, cancel. So it's just your basic HTML with some HTMX. Let's go to our server.js. So again, everything remains the same until app.get. So this is going to handle the get request for profile edits. So basically, it's like when a social media app you're on, for example, Facebook. You go to your profile, you want to edit your profile. That's basically what it's doing. And then it's going to set an HTML form for editing the user profile. So you're going to get like a normal web page to edit the profile. And then it's going to handle the put request for editing the profile. So basically, once you've edited it, that's going to further the process. So it's going to extract updated name and bio values from the requested body. So you've just updated, now you click the update button, it's going through all of that. And then it's going to send the updated profile back as an HTML card. So basically, now once you've edited your Facebook profile, you're going to get back the updated profile. Say for instance, new profile picture, new nickname, new I don't know, like your bio. I don't know if you put a motivational quote in there or something, but then your bio was once blank, now there's something in your bio, and that is your updated profile that it is sending back to you in the as like an HTML card basically. So there's my port running. Let us go and have a look at it. So here it is. So I can click cancel. So here we have Greg Lim, follower of Christ, also author of best-selling Amazon tech books and creative coding courses. Click to edit. I don't know, maybe you want to spell Greg with like a double G or something. And then you can go save changes, and there you have Greg Lim. You want to, yeah, it's basically it. Thank you.